FCS students, here we go with learning HTML and CSS. We're going to be using a tool on a free site called Codecademy. So you're going to go to Codecademy, codecademy.com, and you're going to create an account here. This is a free account. Although there is a paid version of this, you are not paying for anything. The free version is very limiting, but it will suffice for what we need, for what we're going to be doing with this. We may use this for some future tools as well. So you're going to be signing up, and you can use your mcpsmd.net account, and your password you should make something that you will know. This is not a very formal thing. This is an informal thing to kind of supplement what we're going to be doing in the classes and what we're doing in class. So once you create an account, you will, well, I can't really totally show you what you're going to see, but I want you to go to catalog, because I'm logged in here already and I've started some stuff. But I want you to go to catalog and then scroll to the bottom, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to go to HTML, CSS. HTML, CSS. And then when you go to HTML and CSS, what we're going to be doing is these sections, but we're not going to be doing all of this because some of it we can't get to anyway. We're going to be using, like for example, under Introduction to HTML, I'm going to be asking that you do the HTML basics. And then under Using Lists, I'm going to ask that you do HTML basics too. So just to kind of show you what that looks like when you get into these, sorry about that. When you get into this, HTML basics will look something like this, and it's going to walk you through exactly what you are to do here on the left hand side. So you have to read what it says, and you are to type code in this area. And this area here, this screen area here, is trying to show you what it will look like in the browser. So we are typing in this area. This is our code area, and this is what it looks like in the browser. So you have to follow, you have to read the instructions and do exactly what it says to do. Add the code in here, and then when you go to save and submit, it should show here what it's going to look like. And then when you do go to save and submit, if you get a green check, that's a good thing. So what I'm going to look for every so often is I'm going to want to see that you've completed so much of this. So for example, in HTML and CSS, I'm going to ask that you submit a screenshot of completing certain areas. So for example, I may say, so for this grade, you have to submit that you have completed Introduction to HTML, HTML Basics. And what you would do is give me a screenshot demonstrating that you have a green check and you have completed this section. Again, we're not doing all of this material. You're only doing the top parts of most of it, unless I tell you otherwise. So this is what we're going to be using as a reinforcement of lessons we'll be doing in class in HTML and CSS. And again, we may use this for future content as well.